talk, people ready me. Smoke with trees, it was plain to see. We had an extra spirit tree. Now my music has become very dear to me. Remember the days when I was young, and I planned as the going. So shortly on the core, having to show your money for what's wrong. The talk I took in the middle of the crowd. Remember the foot on top, when I've got the niggas not for scary, man. Not when it's going to see the play, always making the play, always looking face in the crowd. My mom said I'm the first one out of the house, so we live in. Now I live in the street, she said it was some office with days, only by the ways. And I ain't passing, know it's been so good to me and some beautiful lady named Smoke with trees, it was plain to see. We had a good spiritually. Now my music has become very dear to me. And I ain't passing, know it's been so good to me and some beautiful lady named Smoke with trees, it was plain to see. We had a good spiritually. Now my music has become very dear to me. Let me tell you about the hand-me-down to my body right here in our town. To break it down, my dirty eyes don't probably explain it now. My life has always had its ups and downs. Trying to act bad, my dirty for keeping the music calm. Always on the hustle, never had no time to lounge. Right with emotion, only living where I have down. It's going to my day with that will come around. We still fought on, never coming to town. Now we shall rise above the ball and start sending people to hold on. Cause no matter what the odds, you gotta stand strong. And these times it's easy for things to go wrong. But my business is paid for when I take grip on my mom. Make sure these good words are passed on and on. Together we make that bright light that emerges from the dawn. Remember change, we have to only exist in the thought. That's why H3C flows on the scene like a bomb. Is it like that? Yeah, now that we kick back, we'll get back. Nice, yeah. Nice. Any different situations happen to laugh? I don't know. Nice, passing on what's been so good to me. It's obvious that people let me Smoke with trees, it was plain to see. We had an extra spiritually. Now my music has become very dear to me. I passing on what's been so good to me. It's obvious people let me Smoke with trees, it was plain to see. We had an extra spiritually. Now my music has become very dear to me. Now my music has become very dear to me. Yeah. Oh snap. Yes, sir. Yeah, can y'all come up to the front so we can some hip-hop?
Don't get scared. It's different type of music, but very passionate. You gotta listen a little bit.
It's a homie, he's a Def Con, rocking the invisible cloak. He's here, in present. Inside the controversial spirit.
You know?
Check it. You're right, to fly, see what the world lies behind, fly through the air, and I'm spending our time, watching the fair, and these are the words, still free to this world, burying down words, this is of a bird, yeah, that's time. Yeah. First on the porch, watching the sun scorch the land, I'm making really sad. Trying to understand them from the birds on you. But something y'all ain't cool, really confused. I'm used by your ashes. Small things bring you so much satisfaction. Like the smile of a girl, trying to change on the goal. Not really knowing the hard shit to hit the door with the buttons of my life. Even when you're poor, feeling sore. After a long day of work, day after day. I punch around the block away, feeling the breeze. When so many things full of play, I think we have to go through the pain and the rain. Eventually washing away the line of sin. Before we reach the only thing that remains. So for what I see at its feet, before your life is crashing, we're just trying to show you some compassion. Yeah. Watching the sunrise, so I could spread my wings to fly. See what the world has to hide. Fly into the air, just fair at times. Life is unfair, and these are the words. Still free to this world, never that word. Visions of a bird, bird. Once upon a time, I focused on losing all my eyes. Realized to live my sky. Run my sort of critical height. But so the video flight. To a place where I'm in the clouds in the sky. Landing on rooftops, afternoon and two drops. Never once got my feathers ruffled. So much action always been my business muscle. It's like a never stop tripping like musical melody. Run keep on open nature, famous mystery. Also traveling a path, usually not much that. Take some drugs, yeah, we see the visuals. Yeah, strange, a little bit unusual. You know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta take the pattern of thinking. Things we like to take the form of funny. Everyone tell me about that having to migrate. Next time you see me outside the window, let your conscience be free, let your mind explode. If you go and see this woman in the vision of a bird. Watching the sunrise, so I couldn't spread my wings to fly to see what this world has to hide. Gliding through the air, just if I'm there at times. Like a bear, and these are the words. Still free to the world, burying down words, these visions of a bird.
Precise moment in time when the sun descends down to the happiness, and the morning and the winter coexist. God becomes breakfast as the wind, as it coincided from the abyss. From pillars towards the nesting ground, from out of my name found. I am the spirit of nature. I am the land of the living, the realm of Shiva, and souls of the world, and the mission and its justice. The realm of our ancient intelligence, the will to survive. From beneath these clothes, the monster line is the sun. One crow means sorrow, that it has a future. Second is the sense of joy, the third waiting bells will be heard in the distance. While the fourth crow is the importance of tomorrow. The trail of a child, the environment transforms so to be. Above all of the dreary clouds, I'm a word soul, the divine in Christ.